Starting a business is exciting, but let's be honest, writing a business plan can feel overwhelming. You need a clear vision, market research, financial projections, and a step-by-step strategy. Normally, this process takes hours or even days. But what if I told you? You can create a complete business plan in just 60 seconds using AI? Let's see how it works. The secret lies in combining AI writing tools with smart prompts. With the right command, you can turn a simple idea into a structured, professional business plan instantly. Let's say you want to start a coffee shop, an online clothing brand, or a freelance design agency. Here's what you do. Step 1. Choose an AI tool. You can use ChatGPT, Notion AI, or Gemini by Google. All of them can understand business-related queries and generate full plans based on your idea. Step 2. Give the AI a detailed prompt. For example, create a complete business plan for a minimalist coffee shop targeting remote workers in downtown New York. Include market overview, pricing strategy, marketing plan, and estimated startup cost. Within seconds, the AI generates everything: your business description, target audience, competitive analysis, marketing plan, and even financial projections. Step 3. Refine and personalize it. You can ask the AI to simplify the language, make it sound more formal, or add visuals and tables if you're preparing a presentation. AI tools like ChatGPT Plus or WriteSonic can even export your business plan into a neat document or PDF, ready to share with investors or partners. Here's a pro tip. If you want something even faster, try Simplified.com or Copy.ai. They have built-in business plan generator templates. You just enter your business name, industry, and target mark, and AI does the rest. But remember, AI gives you a starting point, not the final product. Always review the plan, add real data, and adjust it based on your actual market conditions. The more details you give, the more accurate and powerful your AI-generated plan becomes. In short, here's how it all works. 1. Choose an AI tool. 2. Give it a clear and specific prompt. 3. Customize the results to fit your vision. With this method, you can go from idea to business plan in less than a minute, saving hours of frustration and getting your dream project started faster. So next time someone says, "You need a business plan," you can smile and say, "Already done, thanks to AI." Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.